Happy Saturday! Happy Saturday! Blow kiss! Blow kiss! That's a big kiss, that one. Ready na siya, guys. Kailangan talaga may extra accessory talaga sa ulo. So, yung flowers, inikot-ikot ko lang para meron siya kasi gusto yun talaga dapat may extra lagi. Alright. What time is it now? You got your shoes, your water? Where's your shoes? In the cabinet? Na, magshoes din yung isa. Hala, he wants shoes too. He's not going to dancing? Yeah. We'll go after dancing alo. We'll go somewhere, okay?
Levy, but the levee was dry, and good old horse is drinking whiskey and wine, saying sweet. Give him a kiss and say goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye, Alo.
Oh no. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go walk them. Let's walk them out. Come on. Hello. It's okay. We will go to later after dancing. Shoes. Okay, where are your shoes? Go. Yes, sige, where are your shoes?
Where's Anna's pink slides?
Pink or purple?
Oh, that's whatever. Well,
Should be there. Umuing. Umuing. Parang Arlo lang. Let's get ready because after ng dancing, punta kami sa car dealership na naman. So last time na pumunta kami doon, that wasn't long ago, we confirmed the color. And now, we're going there kasi meron na silang presyo, finally. I think nandun na yung car. Ewan ko guys, basta sumusunod lang ako kay Dan. Sabi niya kailangan daw namin pumunta today doon. So punta tayo today doon. Kasi ayokong pumirma kung wala pa yung car. I wanna see the car. And ayoko munang magkabagong car ngayon. Maya na pag nandito na si baby. And then mamayang hapon, tayo ay pupunta sa... Para saan pupunta? Sa bahay. Sa bahay ng nagluluto ng lechon. Kasi nag-order ako ng lechon. Ang mahal-mahal na ng lechon ngayon, guys. Ah, baby! Ah, baby! Noon, 35 per kilo lang yun. Tapos mahal na yun, ha? Ngayon, alam nyo ba ang tinaas? 55. And I get it, like, it's a hard work, tas ang mahal na ng bilihin, but craving is craving. Kahit naman hindi ako buntis, gusto ko talaga naglilechon once in a while. Yung mga mini blenders ko, 6 to guys, 3 brown, 3 green, 2 na lang nakita ko. This was on Isla's bed, and this was on the floor here. Gustong-gusto ng mga bata nilalaro. Si Arlo, as in gustong-gusto niya, egg, ganun-ganun siya. So, inayaan ko lang sila maglaro niyan. Pero yung 4 niyan, ewan ko na, nasa ilalim na ng couch siguro. Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan ang mga bagay-bagay. Hugasan ko nga yung isa niyan kasi gusto kong itry. Gusto kong itry. Sobrang soft nito guys. Sa liit niya ha. As in, sobrang soft. Maghugas lang ako ng isa. Ayan, 2 na lang. Oh my gosh. I forgot how this works. Ang tagal ko na yung hindi gumagamit ng makeup sponge. Lumalaki pala siya, no? Nakalimutan ko nung binasa ko na siya. Biglang lumasabi ko, oo nga pala. Lumalaki pala to kapag dinamp mo, binasa mo. Ang cute! Ngayon, mas lalong sobrang soft niya. This is from Yes Style, guys. Leave ko yung, sana available, I'm pretty sure available to. Leave ko siya sa baba. Kasi ang daming options dito eh. Yung option na pinili ko is yung 6. Meron pa siyang iba-iba pang kulay. May pink. Ay, cute. Oh my gosh. Hala, uy, hindi na talaga ako marunong mag-makeup do. Ito talaga yung bisyo ko noon. Nung wala pang ibang ganap sa buhay. Makeup. Sobrang konting natirang kulay lang sa aking mukha. That's ute. Asan na yung mga brush ko? These brushes are from Yes Style as well. Kanya hindi ko pa siya nahugasan guys. But that's okay. Huwag na lang kayong maingay. Hayaan nyo na lang. Malaki kasi ng brush kong isa. Parang walang nangyari. Ginamit ko yung powder blush na to. From the same. Single blusher. Yeah, yun lang problema dito sa makeup sponge. Kailangan mong hugasan, sis. Kailangan mong hugasan every time. Alright, ano pabangan natin today? Gamitin ba natin ng ating pinakamalakas? Gamitin natin! Binili mo, ayaw mo gamitin. This perfume, I'm telling you. Pero amoyin nyo muna. Huwag muna kayo magpapaniwala sa akin. Kasi yung gusto ko talaga sanang amuyin Lost Cherry kasi yun do yung favorite ni Heart. Hindi ko siya masyadong nagustuhan. Mas sobrang nagustuhan ko to. So I prefer you smell it in person and you spray it on yourself. Where's the duck? Where is it? Where's your little duck? Ready na kami ni Buboy. Kakarating lang din ni Daddy. It's not under there. We got all the toys down there already. Let's go, guys. Gustong gusto ko tong set na to. This is from Shein. Nag-add to cart na ako ng ibang kulay kasi perfect to pang ano. Ate's downstairs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh! Ate! I got Ate's clothes ready as well. There! Ate's there! Oh, he's excited to see you. Oh! Ate's on the couch relaxing. Oh. Look, Ate. He said, look, Ate. He's wearing dinos. Look. Say, look, Daddy. Lollipop? T-Rex, Daddy. He's wearing T-Rex. I love it, Alo.
I got prawns for me. That's all special.
Yeah. See, I can't even look at prawns. I don't like. I don't like it at all. It's all yours, my love. Wait, no lollipop. We have a donut. Ay.
It's for a snack. Not for you. Not for you.
Bumili siya coleslaw kasi
Yeah, I'll make a
maglilitsyon
coleslaw on
ako.
the outside so like it before.
Sige.
I'm not having rice. I just want coleslaw on top of it.
Okay. Uy, bakit kasi may nagsabi ng lollipop? Walang lollipop, guys.
You want lollipop?
How about you doing that? Here, Ate, let me take that off the flower. You're welcome, baby. Did you like wearing it today?
Kiss. T-Rex.
I'll fix your hair because we need to take this off.
No.
Baby.
T-Rex.
Take off your clothes, baby.
T-Rex.
Clothes. How was dancing? Feel na feel ko yung outfit ko kanina. Sabi ni Dan, malamig. Uy, sa labas. Ikaw talaga naka-shorts. Pag tiningnan mo kasi dito sa loob, ang sunny. Hindi naman, oh. Very sunny sa labas. I know. You're wearing shorts like Arlo, but we got jumpers for you. Kasi malamig. Alright, this is the fit. I'm just gonna wear my 3 to 7. Yusin lang natin to. My car's here, guys. Ito yung car ko. Hindi ito yung kulay. But ito yung binayaran namin ng down payment. The Hyundai Santa Fe. Yung bagong Santa Fe. So, kaiba yung ano niya. Itsura niya sa luma. Ibang-iba. But I ordered the white.
Baby.
And white interior as well.
Baby.
Baby?
Baby.
Yeah, we need a new car for baby.
Baby.
Oh my gosh, look at all these new cars. Are you gonna drive, Ala? The steering wheel looks cute. Oh my gosh, the inside looks really good. Ang laki ng screen. Look at the screen, my love. Hi, baby. Hi. Do you like it? Huh? You can.
Oh.
Oh, Alo, do you wanna get off? Go on the other side, mate. Do you like it, babe?
This looks good.
Yeah, it's got the
I
lights.
think your interior look good.
Yeah, the interior looks
Hi,
really
mate, how are
nice.
you?
What do you think, Ate? What do you think?
Big.
Big, yeah. Will the baby fit?
Yeah.
Yes?
Where's the baby?
Oh my gosh,
It's a
this
baby
is
coffee.
a storage
It's a
galore
baby
car.
coffee.
I'm not sure if this is top of the line.
Where's the
Pero yung
coffee?
kinuha ko is yung top of the line nila. Look at the storage. You can put your handbag in there. And wala na yung stick. Because it's here. It's here. So that's something new.
I sit here.
Hmm?
We're sitting here in a big daughter.
Oh my gosh. We're not getting the captain seats though. Because we need 3 seats there for baby. Oh my gosh, we need to check if it fits, baby. I hope it fits.
Yeah, car seat.
Yeah, we need to fit 3 car seats there sa second seat. Another feature is this is a sanitizer. Wait, you can sanitize your phone here, baby. This one. You put your phone there and it will sanitize it. Close it. And it will sanitize it. Yeah, look at this screen though.
What's this?
That screen is massive. And it's got all the cameras and more. Just imagine this being white. We got white. Good luck. Hi, baby.
I found a 7-seat bus just out the back.
Oh, fantastic.
Cool.
Cool.
Thank you.
I haven't driven it myself yet. I'm going to take it over the weekend, our demo. I'm pretty excited.
Yeah. You have to press the brake to change the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah, we lost the stick.
The stick been there.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Have you, or is it, that's the first time on Hyundai's, or you got that on other cars?
Other cars. It's sort of
Okay.
Hyundai's new style. So the new Kona Hybrid's got it. The Santa Fe.
So the wipers are here. Lights here.
Yep.
And this is the
Yeah.
Alright. We'll check
The feedback on the gear shift has actually been quite good because it frees up all the space in the center console. It's just obviously sort of hard to get used to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you'll get used to it. And then you just press this. We'll check out the other one with the 3 seats. We got the white here, guys, and we chose white, but not matte. This is matte white. We chose the other white, but we like the bronze, guys. Can you imagine the bronze with a white interior? We like the bronze. And this is the one with the 3 seat here. Dan's gonna measure and see if it fits all 3 car seats here. So ito yung likod niya. Sobrang spacious siya kapag nakababa yung 2 seats sa likod. And okay na okay kasi lahat pwede lagyan ng car seat. See, may mga ganyan. Even the 2 folded ones, you can. So, kapag mayroon kaming bisita, kapag nandito si mama, we can put this one down and mom can sit here. Kasi magkakasya. Sana. Crossing our fingers na magkakasya yung 3 car seats dyan. You wanna see the camera?
Yeah.
What did you do? What color is mommy's car? Oh my gosh. I'm getting black. Ako na talaga ang magba-black car. And white interior.
Close it to do that.
So, Dan's gonna drive the car. Hindi kami pwedeng magsama because nandito ang mga bata.
Let go.
But I'm getting this interior.
Now push the red button. Push the red button.
So, my car is gonna be that color. Black on black on black.
In my back.
Sorry?
Sleep in my back.
You want the baby to sleep on your lap?
No. Sleep in my back.
Sit on your lap. Okay. How's the drive, Daddy? How's the new Santa Fe 2024 calligraphy? Oh my gosh, and we're going for black.
Mama?
Black. Yes, baby.
Oh my gosh.
His hands everywhere. Careful. Maybe I give him chocolate.
Science club na Hello, seriously?
Not a day.
Huh?
Not a day.
Luto tayo rice. Because lechon is life. Ang layo ng pipick upan namin, guys. 40-minute drive from our house. Did you get it? Tinatapos lang namin yung footy. Wala kaming laro, iba yung laro ba? Merong ano sila. Pusta. That's it. Oh, well done, Daddy. Daddy won. Daddy's paying for lechon. Yan yung ano ni Daddy. Kasiyahan niya. Pumupusta siya ng mga ganyan. Hindi naman malaki. So, it's not alarming. But keeps him happy. Nalo siya $100. Kung bayad sa lechon natin kasi 2 kilo, 110. That looks like a lot.
It does.
Pwede kumain na. Ooh, smells good, my love. And it comes with the sauce as well. Dipping sauce. That's the really meaty part. Bahay na as. Dito na yung lechon, guys. Merong kasamang sauce. Ayan, oh. Pero wala na. Naka-ready na yung mga sauce. Ketchup is the sauce of choice. Parang ang dami. 2 kilos yung in-order ko kasi minimum 2 kilos. Parang ang dami niya. Natikman ko na siya, oh. Hindi na talaga ako nakapigil at natikman ko na siya. Kinuot-kuot ko talaga siya kanina, guys. That's our lechon. Ang laki niya. Ah. Yun. Kiss me yun. Kain ako. Do you want me to cut you thin slices? Do you want me to chop it into chunks or what would you prefer?
Up to you.
No, for you.
Doesn't bother me.
Yung iba kasi nito, ipapaksiw ko mga dime. Yeah, thank you, baby! Mommy ordered medicine. I did, yeah. I went inside. You were with Daddy in the car. I know, it's a big poop, baby. Ito yung bibigay ko kay Dan kasi meaty. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got medicine for Lolo and Lola. Do you want the crackling, my love?
Right?
Crackling?
Huh?
Do you want the crackling?
Yeah, I'll take
Alright, so yan yung kay Danny Boy. Ayan. Tapos maglagay siya ng coleslaw sa gilid. Inano ko yung sa kanya yung mga sobrang meaty. Yung gusto ko lang is yung ano guys, strips. You know me. Oh my gosh, that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's for my tummy, baby. Oh my gosh. Just wanna cut the outside. Yeah. My favorite part. That's it. Pag lechon kasi maketchup talaga ako. Yun yung nakasanayan ko. Mas gusto ko siya kaysa dyan. But itatry ko yung sauce nila, kuya. Right. Oh my gosh. Kain tayo, guys. Charadaro. Kain tayo. Ang subo para sa akin. Good eating, guys. Yum. Okay. Just one hand. Kutsara. Sabi niya, I want to use my hands too. That's okay, I'll pick it up. Lag-lag pag dinosaur. Yeah, this one. Tingnan niyo yung ginawa ng aking unika-iha. Hindi na pala unika-iha. Habang nagcha-chop-chop ako ng lechon kanina. Tinanggal na niya sa packaging yung mga gamot na binili ko. Pumili ako pang kay mama. Hala. 2 yung kay mama binili ko. Tapos kay Papa. Yan. And then I got this one as well from me. Tummy butter stretch marks. Kasi sabi ni Dan, parang may ginagamit ka last time. Feeling ko last time wala. But sabi niya meron daw. Tigdadalawa ba yung binili ko para kay... tigdadalawa nga. Dalawa kay Mama, dalawa kay Papa. Wow, baby. Tinanggal mo na sa packaging, ate. Nandun na sa packaging yung mga ano. Wait, lagay na natin to sa box. 1 tablet daily. And then, ganito yung itsura ng belly butter. I'm not sure kung ito yung same nung ginamit ko as last time. And then, I got my omega brain fish oil as well. Inano to ni-recommend ng midwife ko and paubos na yung akin. So, in-order ko yung kagabi and pinick up namin kanina. Come on, clean up! Clean up! Time to clean up! Clean up! Clean up! Who is cleaning up? Only Ate! Is Arlo making a mess? Ayla, put it in the bag.
Come on, guys, do it properly.
Come on.
Be good.
So we can go upstairs. Ay, si Ayla.
Come on, princess. Isla.
Here, come here.
I said, I only asked you to do one thing. Now do that, please, for me. Now.
Come on, come on.
Isla.
Give it to mommy, I'll help you. Wait.
You can do it, Isla. Come on.
Yeah, come here, baby. Come on.
Help me out.
There you go. Alo, can you help Ate with the blocks, please? Put the blocks in the bag. Come on. Come on, you can do it, mate. Yeah, Alo will help too. Come here, Alo.